Ndị Igbo ekele m ụlọ. Ndị Igbo ekele m ụlọ. Ndị Igbo ekele so m ụlọ. Okwu m daba n'ala biko na ekele m. Ntinyekwu ya. Thank you. Thank you. Maka ala ga-esokwa ncha na Igbo. Mana maka ịchọba na ndị onyonyo a na-erekọd a ga-eme gosibi ya na ka ndị ọzọ soro okwu na ụmụ nwee nzukọ a. I want to emphasize this point about unity, that we are stronger united. We are stronger together. In spite of our diversity, we are stronger united. Oh, well, a lot of things that are said. Those fundamentals, if Igbo, seem to be eluding us. And the traditional rulers have a pivotal role to play. At the heart of it all, are the custodians of culture and tradition. But we have a clash of cultures, clash of religion, clash of traditions. Evil has come and masquerading as tradition, as culture. By some magical means, you can get wealthy. Versus the old traditional values that Igbos are known for. And that is the values of hard work, enterprise, and integrity. That's the foundation of the Igbo society. That's the foundation of our progress, triumph, acclaim, and celebration all over the world. And we are trying to reclaim this. And I'm emphasizing this bit about us working together because it's pivotal to the central message I want to leave with you. And that is that our vision to turn our place from being a departure lounge to becoming a destination. That people will likely be from Zamfara, and you're from Ghana, or from and say, I want to go to Igbo to go and have fun.
Is the Southeast. And the chairman when I say I can read, I cannot in a